Hey guys, I ordered GoPro Hero 13 Black Accessories bundle. This GoPro includes the handler, floating handle grip, 2 Enduro batteries, 2 curved adhesive mount, 64 gig SanDisk MicroSD card, and carrying case, and more. HB series lens with auto detection. Hero 13 Black is compatible with HB series lens. Let you set your camera for variety of specialty shot. Best in class 5.3K video. 5.3K video deliver breathtaking image quality with 91% more resolution than 4K, an incredible 665% more than 1080p resolution. Capture the action with crisp detail and exact image quality, so any shot with any lens will look amazing. Slowest slow-mo ever, with the ability to record video clips with the action slow down to 13 times normal speed. This camera is also rugged plus waterproof to 33 feet 10 meter deep. Hero 13 Black was built to take a beating. It's ready to capture the fun on any adventure, whether you are tearing through mud, snow or water. A water repelling lens cover eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to help keep your photo and video crystal clear. We're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. This is GoPro 13 Black. This one is accessory bundle included 2 Enduro batteries, 2 curved adhesive mount, 64 gig micro SD card, the handler and the camera case. I like the case, very solid. So this is the handler, and also with lid you can hold it this way. Adhesive, so you got 2 adhesive. The cable, this is the mount, another unit here, 2 batteries, and this is the camera. This is the camera here. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. This is the camera. GoPro. See what it looks like. This is an awesome product. You can see GoPro. Switch it on from the button on the left side. You switch it on from this button. If you want to start shooting, then you press on the top. And also you have information pack. Your camera must be updated before you use it. So these are the information. This is the SD card included, SanDisk included in the packaging. GoPro information. I like this case, so you can put the camera in here and you are ready to go. So this is the unboxing of this GoPro 13 Black. I'm happy with this stuff. Thank you very much.